Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to do ionic chemical bonding, okay? Because this is also very important. With ionic things, basically, it's like with a metal and a non-metal, right? For example, like Na plus Cl, Ca plus F2, and so on, right? Okay. Now these aren't like regular Lewis diagrams, right? If you did like Na2Cl like that, no, that's not how it works. Like that's not correct, right? So this is how you do it. When there's a metal and non-metal, right? You do, for example, let's do NaCl, right? First, find the charge of Na, which is positive one, right? So you would do Na plus, right? And then for the Cl, you would do a bracket, Cl, and then fill out the outer shell, which we had um, this, right? And then minus 1. So that's essentially how you do ionic chemical bonding, right? Let's do another example. Let's do CaF2. Cool, right? Alright, so let's identify the metal. In this case, is Ca because it's an alkali earth metal. Identify the charge, which is positive 2, right? Ca positive 2, right? But we're not done yet. We still have F2. And the 2 means we need to put 2 of the F atoms, 2 of the fluorine atoms, right? So we know drill. Bracket, fluorine, fill out the outer shell. And fluorine on its own has a charge of -1, so it'll be -1. But we also have to do the outer fluorine. So let's just even it out. We really need symmetry. So this would be a ionic diagram of CaF2, right? Now, what about like compounds, right? Let's do K2SO4. What about stuff like that, right? So in this case, the SO4 is kind of considered like a non-metal. So we have, let's just do the regular Lewis diagram with this SO4, right? Because the S is a non-metal and the O is a non-metal, right? So we have S, O, 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 O. Cool. Okay. And we know that SO4 sulfate has a charge of -2. It's just the potassium over here has a charge of +1, and the second potassium also has a charge of +1, which why it kind of evens out. So we know that this has a charge of -2. Now potassium has a charge of +1, and there's 2 of that potassiums. So it would kind of be like this. K2SO4. Put the K around. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I'm really sleep deprived, so I hope this video made a lot of sense to you guys. Love you. Please subscribe so I can get my money.